With medium to thick density hair, the challenge isn't removing the weight. It's creating movement while still keeping the fullness of the hair. Today, we're creating a forward graduation with soft layers. Now my approach and my choice of combs and products will completely depend on the health of the hair. We will begin by checking the elasticity of the hair, which is the ability of the hair to stretch and come back to its natural form without snapping. As you can see, this is healthy hair. We will then check the density of the hair and the texture. As you can see, the density is medium to thick and the texture is straight hair today. We begin with shampooing and conditioning the hair. While the conditioner is in the hair, I use the Pegasus 502 to detangle the hair gently. The white teeth of this comb help me get rid of all my knots with absolute ease. The comb you use when the hair is wet is absolutely essential, as when the hair is wet, the cuticles open up, the hair is sensitized, so you can end up damaging the hair. Today, I'm going to use the Pegasus 609, which gives me better control with her hair. I'm going to use the white side of the comb to cut my one length. I'm going to use the fine side of the Pegasus 211 for my forward graduation. Forward graduation is just creating layers around the face, framing them well. This is where we add softness to the haircut by adding some layers at the crown. Once your shape is complete, we move into styling. I'm going to use a cream-based product as a hair serum to protect my hair from the heat. Some of the hair serums also act as a heat activator, which make your blow dry last much longer. Let me show you a magic trick. Use your B1 comb on the crown of your head, give it 2 seconds of heat, and voila, look at that bounce. The curve of the teeth sit at the roots of your head, working with the head shape. This is how you achieve the extra volume for your haircuts. I'm going to use the Pegasus 406 to texturize my hair. Texturizing helps you remove any stark or heavy lines that might have been caused during your wet cut. Cutting hair when it's wet gives you more control on the hair, so your sectioning is going to be very clean. Once you've cut your hair wet, understand, every time you cut your hair wet, you're creating strong lines. And once you blow dry the hair, you need to bite into your lines for your haircut to grow out softer, look more natural and flowing. So this is my forward graduation with soft layers. Choosing the right tools is always going to help you deliver better haircuts to your clients. The Pegasus Top 16 Comb Kit has all the combs you'll ever need.